It's a 2016 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, integrated navigation system, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.